bacon wrapped scallops, and the only seasoning you're gonna need is that Uncle Dibbz King Creole blend. Watch this. This recipe is so easy, y'all. All you need is some scallops and bacon and that Uncle Dibbz King Creole blend. So what you're gonna do is wrap up your scallops with a slice of bacon. I'm using center cut bacon, that works best for me. Put it on a skewer or a toothpick. Do all your scallops that same way and set them to the side. Once you're done gift wrapping those scallops, go ahead and drizzle up a little oil on top of them and then put that Uncle Dibbz King Creole blend all over them scallops, y'all. I'm telling you, this flavor is amazing. Make sure you season up both sides of your scallops. Get a skillet nice and hot, add some oil, and then add your scallops. After 5 minutes, go ahead and give your scallops a flip, and then grab a little bit of butter and a little bit of garlic and throw it right there in that skillet. To finish these things off, we're gonna throw them in the oven, 500 degrees Fahrenheit, just to give a little char to that bacon for 5 minutes. Take it out, add a little white wine to deglaze that skillet, mix it on up, add a little bit of parsley, take the scallops out the skillet, and then take that pan wine sauce and drizzle it all over your scallops, baby. That's good, shawty.